Tired of YouTube ads interrupting every 5 seconds of your favorite videos? You're in luck because YouTube is rolling out free trials for both YouTube Premium and YouTube TV, giving you ad-free bliss and more content than ever before. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Whether you want uninterrupted videos or a full live TV experience, there's a way to test it all without spending a dime. YouTube TV offers live feeds and on-demand shows from over 100 networks, putting cable TV in your pocket. Currently, it's only available in the US. On the other hand, YouTube Premium gives you the perks of ad-free viewing, background play, and access to YouTube originals, all without committing to a monthly subscription right away. Getting started is simple. First, make sure you have a Google account, which doubles as your YouTube login. And if you don't already have it, creating one is quick and painless. Next, head to the YouTube Premium or YouTube TV free trial page. A quick Google search will take you straight there. You'll pick your plan, like Premium offers individual, family, or student options. Each comes with a 1-month free trial, while YouTube TV is a single subscription plan. You'll be asked to enter payment details, but don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. Billing starts exactly a month later and continues monthly unless you cancel. Once you hit start free trial, it's game on. You can watch ad-free videos, enjoy background play, and even stream live TV depending on your plan. It's the perfect way to test the waters before committing. And with YouTube constantly expanding features, there's never been a better time to see what the fuss is about. So sign up now, sit back, and let your YouTube experience get a major upgrade. All for free until you'll ultimately realize that it's worth every penny. Do you have YouTube Premium already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.